Step 3. Round kick with rear leg. Now you mastered all the important details of the round kick and we can put them together. From on the starting position you come to the front. Hips and kicking leg to the front. Turn the standing leg and into the chamber. Your arms are in front of your body. Then kick, re-chamber and from there back to the starting position. Try not to kick too high in the beginning and do the kick slow. This will help you to get used to the motion and to keep balance. You can increase the height with time and deliver the kicks to higher targets. Make sure that you keep a stable position during the whole motion. With time you can do sets of 2 to 3 or more kicks and try to deliver them to different heights. This is very difficult, but such an awesome exercise.